How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and we have another Rate My Truck video. I cannot thank you any more than, I don't know how much more to thank you, honestly, than the response I've had with this video. It's absolutely been fantastic, and I'm gonna keep going. As long as you all submit your trucks, I'm gonna keep making these videos every week. But right now we're at Norris Dam, up here in Norris, Tennessee, Norris Lake, of course. I cannot wait for lake season. Hopefully that'll start up in a few months. Make sure you follow my second channel. Tag will be popping up for that. TW After Hours. I will be making lake vlog content this summer, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, take one good last look right now with the front end setup, because it's going to be changing here very shortly. Small, minute changes, but it's going to be changing here very, very shortly, so stay tuned for that. If you want to be entered into the Rate My Truck, guys, make sure you DM me on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram, comment down below and you can email me. Like I said, guys, I'm very sorry, but no stock trucks. We have to have ones that are modified to make this work, and I know you all understand that. I very much appreciate that. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. We'll get this video started right off with the first one being 4x4 Media. If you don't follow him already, guys, make sure you follow him. He runs kind of like a similar truck page to me. But he's got a NNBS, because I keep getting that confused with NBS, but NNBS style Chevy Silverado. It is on a 7 to 9 inch Magahas lift, 20x12 gear alloy wheels, Boost auto mirrors, 35 by 12.5 Arturo XT tires, last fits lights, and EFI live tune. It is a gas truck, a 5.3. It is a very stupid clean NNBS style truck. Absolutely love it, man. Can't wait to see where you keep going with this build. He actually lived around here where I live, sort of around here. I think he moved to Florida, if I'm not mistaken, but I could be wrong about that. But absolutely gorgeous truck. I love the way you did the color match with the front and rear bumpers. You got the blacked out headlights, like the Darth Vader look. Absolutely looks great, man. Like I said, can't wait to see where you go with it from there, and just keep up the great work, bud. The next guy doesn't have an Instagram, so Dwayne's, I think he's what, Dwayne's, yeah. He's got a it looks like a 96 through 98 GMC Sierra 1500 OBS style truck with the same type of interior I've got in mine, on a 4 to 6 inch lift. It is that, like, kind of like that maroon style red. Like, I don't know how really I don't know what the technical name for it is, but absolutely looks amazing. I like the front end styles of the GMCs, because it's got like kind of like the grills not clustered like it is on the Chevys. You can do a lot more with those grills, in my opinion, than you can with the Chevys. But other than that, it absolutely looks fan-freaking-tastic. He did some aftermarket taillights too. He did some custom, looks like custom lettering and pinstriping on the back, where on the old trucks it had like Chevy running across that panel. Did some custom work, it looks like, on that. Tonneau cover, it looks like, just like mine. Running board steps, stuff like that. Some color matching. He's got the older style mirrors on it, the little ones, which it looks really, really good on this truck. But other than that, man, keep up the great work. I can't wait to see where you go with it from there. It is on a 6 inch rough country lift, so that really boosts up there. And again, looks absolutely fantastic. Oh no, sorry. These pictures, he's got my style tow mirrors on it, all blacked out. So he did upgrade to it looks like my style of mirrors on this truck, which I mean, just set this truck off great. Keep up the great work, man. Can't wait to see where you go with it from here. My recommendation, if you can in your town, I don't know where exactly you live, get window tint. It really helps out on these trucks, especially in the summertime. But other than that, man, fantastic truck. Can't wait to see where you go with it from here. So the next guy on our list goes by those_wide_bow ties, and he is from up north, I think the New York area. He's got a 1995 Chevy K1500 Silverado Z71 package. It is got the keys turned up halfway in the front with no rear blocks on 33s, 12.5 by 20, and with 20 by 12 and 957 offset wheels. The cool thing about this truck is it's painted in Massey Ferguson gray. Have rebuilt it from the ground up. And he says a lot more to come. Man, I absolutely love this color on this truck. It's got the roll pan in the back. It's got a lot of stuff done to this truck. It looks absolutely incredible, man. Just keep up the great work. Can't wait to see where you go with it from here. It's also got the sun visor that sticks out past the top of the roof of the truck a little bit. But then, like I said, guys, absolutely looks fantastic. Cannot wait to see where it goes with it from here. It's got, again, blacked out taillight. Looks like it's got an exhaust on it. I mean, it looks like a great truck. So like I said, man, keep up the great work. Can't wait to see where you go with it from here. Next guy is Luke J underscore 5.7. And he's got a 1998 Chevy K1500 Silverado in the silver color with a lot of stuff done to this truck. Not sure what the leveling kit is. I think it's either a 2 or 3 inch leveling kit. But he's got some like 22 or 24 by 14s on this thing with stretched tires, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Color match front bumper with the chrome grille on it. I've actually have seen this truck in person at an all Chevy truck show this past summer over by Nashville. Unfortunately, I didn't get to talk to him at the time, but absolutely looks like just a fantastic truck. It's got 2 setups on it. He had the all black TSI wheels. Or TIS wheels, excuse me, and the chrome hostile ones on Nitto 420s. And again, looks absolutely fantastic. Can't wait to see where you go with it from here, man. Clean truck, stupid clean truck. But like I said, can't wait to see where you go with it from here and just keep up the great work. And the last guy on our list is 6.7 underscore on underscore 14s. I want to start out by saying this. I have met this guy in person, and he is one of the nicest, most humblest, down-to-earth guys I've ever met when it comes to the truck scene. Just an absolutely great guy to hang out with. Like, doesn't cause drama, none of that crap. An absolutely fantastic guy. And he's got one bad 08 Cummins on 14 wides. This truck is literally, pictures do not do this truck justice. It is so stupid clean in person that it's absolutely amazing. I have a very, very soft spot for 3rd Gen Cummins. I've done a review on one. There's a 700 horse 5.9 Cummins. If y'all have seen that video, you know what I'm talking about, manual. But this truck's on American Force, but they're plastic dip like that aqua blue, or sorry, teal, is a teal blue. On looks like stretch 420s too. And it's just an amazing truck. I love the way he's done with it. He is also running Boost Auto's Dodge mirrors on it. And from what I've heard, he has no complaints on them, loves them to death. A lot of stuff is color matched that teal blue. It just looks so damn good. Like, the silver with the teal blue looks amazing. Rock lights all the way around. The thing looks like a damn spaceship going down the road. It looks freaking awesome. And, you know, there's nothing really to say about this truck. It's just absolutely amazing. So, man, keep up the great work. Can't wait to see where you go with it from here, if you can go any more with it from here. And, yeah. So that being said, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this week's Rate My Truck. Like I said, if you want to be part of this, make sure you DM me on Instagram or comment down below if you don't have an Instagram, you want to be part of it, like that other guy with the maroon OBS. Other than that, guys, yeah, just please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. A lot more content coming, not just Rate My Truck. So I got a lot of content coming here in the week or two. Yeah, I just want to thank you all so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. I know I was kind of down in 2020. I took some time off in 2020, but I want to thank you all for the recent support and everything like that. So that being said, thank you all so much for the support. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.